Bismillah, hello everybody. This is the third time for us in MSP, Managing Successful Programs. It's about the first theme in MSP, which is program organization. Let's remember what's happened in the program. Simply, program is about transformation. It's about radically change in the organization. Radically change, it means something very risky. It could push you to bankruptcy. So organizations should be very careful in this transformation. That's why we have something called MSP to manage this radical transformation of things. That's why we have themes, and we have talked about the themes last time. Today is the first theme, which is the program organization. Program organization is about what? It's about rules, accountabilities, and responsibilities of the program board. So we need to know who should work what, who is responsible for what. Why? Because imagine that you are a football player and you don't know your rules. So do you expect that you can have goals in the match? I think it's very difficult. So the same for organization. If everybody knows his or her own rules and accountabilities, I think coordination will be very, very easy for all of people. So this is program organization. Before program organization, I need to discuss first something very important, which is the transformation process. How can we manage the transformation? Before, how can we manage what is the transformation process? First, we have a dream. So we identify the program. Definition or identification of the program should be based on a dream, should be based on vision statement. Who have this vision? Of course, should be one from senior management, or maybe someone from lower level, but senior management adopted this idea. That's why we have here something called the program mandate. Program mandate is about the vision statement, what the program should lead us. What is the program? Well, what's the benefits that we can gain from the program? Okay, so this is about identify program. After that, we define the program. So second step is definition of the program. What's definition of the program? How can we define the program? Definition of the program is about, you can say, the planning of the program. You can say it's identification, but more in depth, more detail. So this is the idea of defining the program. Defining the program is about going in depth about your business case. What are the benefits? What are the costs? What are the benefits profiles? How can we deliver these benefits? The risks in delivering benefits, this stuff. Second point is blueprint. Blueprint is about the future state, how you should look like in the future. So it's about detailed future. I need to remind you about something very important. We need to understand the difference between capability and benefits. In order to succeed in the exam, I should be able to study. So the ability of the study enables me to succeed. If I'm not able to study, I will not succeed. The same for organization. I want to achieve zero defect. Okay, zero defect production. So this is the benefits. This is what I want to achieve. In order to be able to achieve that, I need to have Six Sigma or total quality management. This is the capability that enables me to achieve these benefits. So we have two different concepts, capability and benefits. Capability is about blueprint. Capability is about how you should look like in order to be able to absorb this capability so that you can achieve these benefits. This conceptual thinking is very important for you to understand what's MSP. Here, in defining the program, you define in depth what's the blueprint in the future, you define the benefits, what are the benefits, how can we realize this benefit, and etc. After defining the program, we develop our photo, our graph, our imagination of the future. As we said the last time, we have a photo of the future. This is a blueprint. Okay, we cut this photo into tranches. So after each tranche, we look at the photo. It will go. That's fine. We can achieve the whole photo. Okay, go on. No. The photo, the part of this photo, the tranche, seems that it will mislead us. No, stop the program. Or there is a change in the world which we need to change the photo of the future. So let's look now at this tranche and decide how can the next tranche should be. So this is a mechanism to manage the future for the programs, or to manage the future, yes. So we can, this circle is managing tranches. Tranche is about two main things: delivering capability, as we said the last time, and realizing benefits. Very important to notice the difference here. Delivering capability is implementing the ERP system, the information system, the CRM system, delivering the supply chain management system. So here you deliver, you implement the system. However, realizing benefits is how to realize the benefits from the ERP system. How can we realize benefits from the supply chain management system? So here we have two separate things: delivering the capability, delivering the software, delivering the system, delivering total quality management, the ISO, delivering any mechanism that enables the organization to implement something it couldn't be able to deliver in the past. This is delivering capability. And how can we realize benefits from this new capability? So we have two different things. In each tranche, we have two things: the part of the photo and the benefits realized from this part of the photo. And stop here. Review, please. Shall we go or not? Shall this part of this tranche of the photo is good to go on or not? If it's good, okay, so redefine the program, re-understand the future, re-plan what you are going to do in the future, and then go on. If it's not, so please, the future picture of the organization will not be helpful to the strategy of the organization, or it will not be fit to the current changes in the environment in the organization, or something like that. So sorry, we have to close, or we have delivered the whole photo, so please stop the program. So this is the idea of transformational change. How can we transform? This is a vision. This is a vision statement, a dream from senior level management. This dream put into action through planning. So we start by planning business case, benefits and costs of realizing benefits, blueprint, what we should look like in order to realize these benefits, and then started to have part of the photo in terms of tranches. So we have tranche 1, tranche 2, tranche 3, tranche 4, and these tranches consists of two things: delivering capability, delivering the system, implementing the system, and realizing benefits from the system. This is realizing benefits, and finally this is the close. So what is the program organization here? Okay, let's see. The first thing which is very important to have MSP in your organization, you need to have something called sponsoring group. It's very important. What's the sponsoring group? This group of people, you can say, are dreamers, are strategic people. These people are look at the future of the organization. Sometimes we can call them the board of directors. These people have strategic objectives and they want the organization to deliver these objectives, this mission. So this is a sponsoring group. Sponsoring group usually set the program mandate. They set the dreams. They say what we need to deliver in the future. How should we look like in the future? In dream, 2-3 words that can capture the hearts of the people. After that, they appoint someone called senior responsible owner. Look, 3 main words. Senior, so he has to be very senior level management. Responsible, this guy is responsible for everything. Owner, he has the ownership, so he can gain benefits from realizing benefits from what's going on in the future. Once they appoint this guy becomes follower to them. No. He becomes a member of this group. It's very, very important concept. He will not be under their supervision. No, he will be a member of this group. Why? What is the philosophy behind that? What is the rationale? Simply, this guy is about a part of the strategy of organization, and the other guy here is responsible for other part of the strategy of organization. These guys should work together as a peers, as a teamwork. So if this guy has any mistake, all the members say to him, you have a mistake. Or if anyone have a mistake, this guy have to say to him, you have a mistake. So these people working together to deliver the whole dream of the organization. Senior responsible owner, he is responsible from here. So identifier program, senior responsible owner should be involved here, but his responsibility starts from here, from defining the program. Take care, there is a management principle, very important to understand. You cannot execute something and review it. If you execute something, you shouldn't review it. You shouldn't review anything that you implement. Why? Because if I implement something bad, when I review myself, I say, oh, that's good, this is me. So I have to say false information, unfortunately. So this is very important to say SRO will not do anything. He is responsible to deliver benefits. So he is a planner. He authorizes everything. He just gives authorization, but he shouldn't be involved in implementation. Senior responsible owner appoint 2 guys. The first one is program manager. The second one is business change manager. Business change manager. Who is this guy? Who is this guy? Program manager, you can say he is more technical guy. He's about delivering the capability. He understands Six Sigma very well, so he knows how to implement Six Sigma. He understands ERP system very well, so he understands how can he configure the system to the organization. This guy is mainly responsible for implementing, for the project management, for the projects, the timing of the project. So he is planning for the blueprint. He plans the blueprint, okay? He mainly develops the graph of the future. He mainly works, you can say he does 70% of the work in delivering the capability. But business change manager is responsible for delivering benefits. So this guy is responsible for this one, and this guy is responsible for this one. They should work together. This guy is a customer of this one. So the production of the program management should be consumed by business change management. At the end of the day, all what we talk about is benefits. So this is very, very critical, business change management. Critical in terms of what? Critical in terms of if we not deliver the benefits, all of that is rubbish. We dream to have zero defective production. That's why we implemented Six Sigma. After implementing Six Sigma, we still have a lot of defects. So all of that rubbish. This is the critical point here. So business change manager is responsible for working in business case. Yes, the responsibility of business case development is mainly about senior responsible owner, but business change manager help the business case in order to tell him, yes, we can do that or we cannot do that. Yes, we have readiness to do that or we do not have a readiness to do that. Business change manager, he is like selling a product. He wants to sell a product to the organization, selling the capability. So he should focus on policy change. He has to have advertisement, propaganda, lots of stories to people to change their attitude toward it. And he should have indicators to say, yes, this is a critical time to start delivering the capability to the organization. We can realize benefits now. No, please, yes, I know that the capability is available, but please, we need time, more time. People cannot absorb the new capability easily. So this guy is responsible for managing the attitude, the culture of people. This guy is major business from business department. This guy somehow technical. This guy is responsible for the architecture of the system, the technical aspect of the system. This guy is responsible for soft points of the system or people side of the system. So they have to work together in order to have something very important. It's called program. This is called program board. So program board should work together in order to deliver what? Capability? No, to deliver benefits. So this is the most important thing, is the benefit. So as you see here, senior responsible owner is a member of two groups. The first one is sponsoring group, second one is program board. He works here as authorization. He authorizes everything. He doesn't plan. He doesn't know. Of course he knows, but he is not responsible to plan. He is accountable for the plan. He authorizes the plans. He says, yes, this plan is good, this plan is not good. He says, okay, go on or not. He, senior responsible owner, should conduct the review here to say, yes, we shall go on or not. He has to review the business case. Of course, he should be responsible for the business case, blueprint, all the documents that's used. He should be very involved and authorize everything. Program manager is responsible for technical aspects, the timing of projects, delivering of the projects, how projects interact with each others, managing difficulties between projects, any conflict between projects, share allocation of resources, all the kinds of technical implementation. This guy is responsible for the people who use the system at the end. We need to have a secretary for all of that. We have secretary called here program office. Program office is considered as hub of information for the program. So if you need any information, you should contact program office, not program manager. All the versions of all documents used here should be available with program office. Program office is mainly responsible for data information. If you need any data or information for the organization, for anyone, program office should be working as this. This is in brief program organization and transformational flow. The next time I will talk about in-depth program manager, business change manager, and senior responsible owner in depth, and I'll make comparison. If you are aiming to take the MSP exam, without this you will not succeed. Believe me, without this you will not succeed. More than 40% of the exam is about this. It's very tricky in some aspects. Now it seems very clear, this goal. Everyone is very clear in his responsibilities and accountabilities. But life is not always easy like this. We have sometimes something not easy. So next time I'll talk in depth about every rule and see how they should work together in more depth. Thank you very much. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك.